Hope you've enjoyed the dry and mild weather today. There are some more spring showers on the horizon that'll impact those weekend plans. For tonight, storms are going to be the pop-up variety, and those are primarily going to be concentrated well south of the Toledo metro. And then heading into your Saturday, rain's going to be more widespread with the chance for some gusty winds. Temperatures are currently balmy in the mid 70s. We're sitting at 75 in Fremont, 73 in Toledo, 74 into Wood County, and a little bit cooler to the north and northwest of Toledo. High and dry across the metro, but I do want to focus your attention far to the south of the Maumee River, where there are a couple of pop-up downpours and even brief rumbles of thunder. The city of Tiffin did just get that shower that is now moving off to the east. Huron County, a few light showers. Upper Sandusky, the sky may be getting dark, and there is some rain into Wyandotte County with some heavier rain in the vicinity of Mansfield. Now, most of this activity is going to stay well south of Toledo as there is a warm front that is stalled out. It's really not moving north at this point in time, and we're not expecting any severe weather locally. The Storm Prediction Center has highlighted that there is not going to be a watch, but there could be a couple stronger storms in this red shaded area. Now, the warm front is eventually going to lift to the north, and it is going to bring with it the chance for some showers tonight. Into your Saturday, a cold front on the backside of this system is going to bring with it some gusty winds and more rain chances. So the hour by hour, any rain that we see this evening is going to be focused well to the south in the vicinity of Hancock, Crawford, and Wyandotte counties. 9 p.m. the metro totally dry and very mild. After midnight is when some rain chances may start to push into Toledo and continue through your Saturday morning. It is going to be a fairly mild start to the day. Temperatures briefly spiking to the 70s, but as a cold front works on through, we're going to see some gusty showers as well as dropping temperatures late in the day. Still seeing rain through about dinner time, but those showers wrap up by about 7 to 9 o'clock p.m., exiting off to the east. Gusty showers will be possible. The overall severe weather risk is fairly low, but there could be some strong winds in the ballpark of 40 to 60 miles an hour. And as we look towards the heavy rainfall threat, any additional rainfall could worsen the already significant flooding. The tornado threat is extremely low, fairly close to zero at this point. So how much additional rain can you expect? The latest data still pinpointing around 1 inch, if not a bit more than an inch, through the course of Easter weekend. We're going to be at 75 degrees, breezy with southwesterly winds expected tomorrow. Temperatures will be dropping late in the day, and by Easter we're going to be down into the 40s. The chance for a few spotty sprinkles is going to be returning Monday, and that opening day forecast Tuesday, I have bumped things to mostly sunny. So it is looking really bright and nice. However, it is going to be a chilly feeling day. You'll want that winter coat if you're sitting in the bleachers watching some opening day baseball. The next 10 days, your extended forecast does bring those chillier conditions through the early part of next week. By Wednesday, we're back to the 60s, upper 60s possible Thursday, and then Friday and Saturday bringing our next rain chance. However, with these additional showers, it is not going to be an all-day washout like we've seen this week. The extended forecast brings some more seasonable April conditions, a few periodic showers, but temperatures that are trending in a milder direction, primarily going to be in the low to mid 60s.